How to log in Go2 Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Go2 Bank is an unlimited mobile banking account. It is easy to use and designed to simplify banking, helping people save time and money and improve their financial well-being. In order to log into Go2 Bank account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.go2bank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Go2 Bank. Now, if you do not have an account yet, tap on the Open an Account option and start by entering a valid email address and move further with the process of creating a new account. Once the account is created, tap on the Login button you see right beside the Activate Your Card button. You will be asked to enter your email address and your password, so go ahead and enter the login credentials carefully. If you are having any trouble logging in, you can go ahead and tap on the Trouble Logging In option there and recover your login credentials. Also, if you want this particular device to remember your login credentials for future, then select the Remember Me checkbox. Finally, tap on the Login button, and with this, you have successfully logged yourself in to Go2 Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.